Okay, now that we have a couple of different ways to get around the menu system, let's put it into action and try to find something. So I'm going to go back to the browser, and let's try to find the location of the content type page. You might know from previous experience that this can be found in structure and content types, and here we can add a new content type. If we wanted to find this location using Coffee, we would strike Alt-D in order to pop up this dialog in the middle of the page, and then we'd start typing the name of the menu item we want to find. So if it was add content type, we would type add content, and you see we have one result right here. And it's great because the gray one will be the one that we'll navigate to if we type enter. So if I hit enter, we jump right to that, admin/structure/types/add. So again, the administration module is a great way to get a sense of where things are by browsing the different menu trees. And Coffee is a great way to get to a place that you know exists, but you might not know how to get there, or you just want a quick, reliable way to get there without having to use the drop-down menus.